Namaste, I am Rinku or Reena.
And Namaste, I am Tina alias Tinku. We are girls, disguised as boys. Follow us to know the reason behind this.
Hey, activate the brake. I am here. I may get hurt. Oh! Close the saloon. The saloon is going to be shut for the first time since I have taken over this saloon.
Tina and I will run the saloon. Please give us the permission. Yes, Father.
Oh, my dear, girls shouldn't work. Think about this society. They might think bad of us.
Please, Father. Please.
No, dear. No means no.
We have to do something. We cannot sit quiet like this. We have to get the keys and run the saloon. But how? Dad said a clear no. And all of us know what happens if we go against his words. Look, I have an idea, but we'll need someone's help. The plan is we'll disguise ourselves as boys so that nobody will be able to recognize us. And the work will also be done. But who will help us? We need a person. And that is Deep. Deep, you'll have to help us. Look, or else you won't get the new remote control car for your birthday.
Oh, I want my remote control car. I'll do whatever you say. Uncle, I would like to say something. Can I run the saloon? I promise you that there will be no problem.
Will you be able to do it, my dear?
Yes, uncle. I'll take someone's help if I need.
Okay, dear. Here are the keys.
Namaste, sir. We heard that your shop is shut and you are looking for workers.
We are looking for a job and we would like to work at your saloon.
Thank God, even I was looking for workers who could help my boy. You can come to the saloon.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh no, it's our college lecturer here.
I don't know what he is doing here.
Hey, you, come here. Aren't you both my students, Tina and Rina? What are you doing here?
Sir, yes, you are right. We are your students. Yes, sir, we are disguised as boys because of the gender barriers in our society. We want to support our family after a father has met with an accident. But as girls, we are not allowed to step outside the houses.
That's really nice. You are doing a good job. I support you. You can contact me if you need any help.
Thank you so much, sir.
Toppers of our class are Tina and Rina. Speak to you about your children. They are so daring and hardworking. They have put so much of effort. Is running through family, breaking all gender walls. You should be proud of them.
Oh no. Father, we tried to hide this from you, but the truth always comes to light. Father, we would like to tell you something. It was us who disguised ourselves as boys and worked in your saloon. And the other day, it was us who asked Deep to get the keys of the saloon. We could not see you in such a situation and we wanted to help you. Even though we wanted to help, we couldn't do it. So we had to do it using these means. We are really sorry for telling a lie to you.
Oh, my dear daughters, I knew you loved me a lot, but I didn't know you would risk your studies and work. I am so grateful to have daughters like you. God bless you, and you boys are equal. And thank you for this realization. God bless you both.
So, this is our story. The story of two boys. No. The story of two proud girls who have proven this to the society again that there is no gender base for any work or dream.
Let all of us update our